Hey guys, welcome back for another video. In today's video I'm going to show you what to do if your fridge is facing condensation issues like this, where there's water literally dripping from the roof of the freezer or the fridge and ice forming from all this water dripping. You can see how this ice chunk has formed here from all the water that has dripped. And while this kind of issue can be due to various reasons, but when it's to this extent where water is literally dripping and ice is forming, it's almost always because of gasket issues. Now, what is the gasket? Gasket is this rubber seal that you see right here across the side of the freezer. Now, what you will notice is when you normally close the freezer, the gasket completely seals off and prevents any air from escaping. But when you have issues in your gasket, you will see this kind of a gap here. It's not very noticeable in the video, but you can see there might be a gap and your freezer may not be completely shutting, which is what will lead to this kind of condensation issues. Now, to fix this, what you need to make sure is the gasket is clean. You can see this area that I've already cleaned. But this one, which is not very clean, that can cause these different flaps to stick to each other and resulting in the freezer not getting closed properly. The other thing you need to do is, if even after cleaning there's a gap, you can just use a hair dryer and blow hot air onto the gasket just so that it regains its original shape, and just bend it down a little bit while you blow the hot air. Your fingers may not be able to bear the heat, so you can simply use something like a screwdriver to bend it down just like so while you're blowing hot air from the hair dryer. Once you've done that, keep fine-tuning it with the hair dryer until the freezer is able to completely shut, where the gasket, as you see along the freezer, should be completely sealed. Check this on all sides of the gasket, top and bottom and both the sides. Now, gasket replacement, while it's quite easy, it can be an expensive affair, as these gaskets are pretty expensive. But if you want to replace it, you will just pull off from the corner, take the entire gasket off and replace it with the new one. That's how easy it is to replace the gasket. But hopefully with these simple tricks, you should be able to fix gasket issues on your freezer, and it should be back to working as normal pretty soon. So as you can see now, after I've already resolved the issues, the gasket is completely sealed at this point. The other thing you should also check that there is not something very heavy on the sides of your door that can cause the door to not close properly, or too much weight to be on one side, which can result in a certain section of the freezer door not closing properly. So just take care of these things and your issue should be resolved in no time. Hope you found this video helpful and hope you were able to fix your freezer condensation issue. Do let me know your feedback in the comments below. Do subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching.